everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this brow lift kit. It is by this brand right here. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So when you open it up, this is how it's going to come. You have some brow trimming scissors, which are really nice, so that you can kind of brush through and trim if you need to. Okay, so it has number 1, number 2, like step 1, step 2 glue, and then it comes with this as well. So let me go ahead and see what's in this. So you have your little spoolies, your little applicators, and then you have this right here, which this has a little brush to brush through, and then this is a razor to clean up everything. Normally they come with plastic wrap, but I did not see that. And then it has the instructions right here. So that's the Perm solution. That's the fixation. And then this is the glue. So step 1 is clean your eyebrows, which I've already done. I just got out of the shower. My hair is now air dried, still slightly wet in some places. So I did that. Apply Vaseline around the eyebrow area for isolation. So if you want, you can apply that. I usually don't do that, but it does say to. Apply thinner layer of the glue on eyebrows. Straighten the eyebrows with the brush. Okay, so this is going to be the brush that you're going to use. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get me a mirror so that I can do this. So step 1, I'm going to use the glue. And I just like to kind of brush it on like that. You're just using a thin layer, because this is what's going to keep the brows in place. Try to work as fast as possible, because when the glue dries, it kind of makes it a little more difficult. So I don't like to do the brows where it's like that. I don't really like that look. So what I do is I slightly do that, but then I just curve them. I'm making them look more full, maybe a little more bushy out here. But for like this part, I don't like it looking bushy up here. I don't mind it looking bushy out here though. So you see that? That's how I like to do mine. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. So like that. That looks pretty good. So that's step 3. And it says wait for 30 seconds. It's been more than 30 seconds on this side. Apply number 1 Perm solution. So I'm going to grab one of these. And then you're going to do number 1, which is the Perm solution. And it says Perm on it. So I need to get some plastic wrap, because it does say you're supposed to apply some plastic wrap once you're done. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay, so I'm going to get this. I got my plastic wrap. So you're just going to grab this, pull this top piece off. This does smell like Perm solution, so it stinks really bad. And then I just kind of just lay it on top. Just like that. And then you're going to put your plastic wrap and wait 5 to 8 minutes. So there's one side. So just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and set a timer for around 6 minutes, and then I'm going to show you. I should have probably did this a little shorter, but it's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and then show you what to do after this is done. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes. So I'm going to take this off. And then it says to brush it out. It says remove perm number 1 with a brush, then apply number 2. So I'm going to take a clean brush. Remove this. Okay, and now that all that's cleaned up, I'm going to take Fixation, which is number 2. And then I'm going to apply this. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put it on a thin layer, put on some plastic wrap, and leave it 5 to 8 minutes. I like to go in between. I just leave it on for 6. So this is what's going to fix it in place. Look how good those look. I can't wait till I'm done. So now we put that on. I'm going to put my plastic wrap and then leave it on for another 6 to 8 minutes. I'm going to try to cut this shorter. I just use a brow length. Like so. See, that's much better. Okay, so it has been another 6 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And then it says to cleanse the residue off with a brush, then cleanse with eyebrows with cleanser. I actually have an eyebrow cleanser right here. So I'm actually going to wipe it off with this end. I'm just using like a baby wipe just to get it off. Then I'm going to go in with this cleanser. This part right here. Just like that. And then I'm going to use a nourishing oil for them as well. Which you can buy all this stuff separately. You don't have to have this. I just have like a little applicator like this. And I'm just going to kind of put some of that on. I'm going to brush them out. So as you can see, my brows look so much fuller, so pretty. If you do have thick brows and you need to trim them, it did come with these as well, so that you can brush it through and then cut off the extra hair. My brows are pretty thin. I do not need to do that, but it did come with these in case you do need that. So let me go ahead and turn off this light. So that is what they look like. Super nice. It makes them look so much more fuller and just like you don't need to wear brow products, and I love that. You can also dye them. Sometimes I use like brow henna to go underneath it, and it works amazing if you want to really just like kind of, if you do have any like kind of spare, like sparse places, you can do that. I don't feel like I really need to. I mean, I could if I wanted to, but I like the way it looks. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.